Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to start new exercise of simple equation, exercise 4.2. So before exercise 4.2, we have already studied about the exercise 4.1. In that we have studied about the solution of an equation. Now here we are going to find the solution of an equation by using step. See here I have written a question. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Here you have to write the step. It means what you are going to do. That you have to write first before solving the question and then solve the equation. First question is given x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. So here we have to find the answer of an equation. It means the answer of a variable. And here variable is your x. What is your variable here? X. And the number which is assigned by a x is minus 1. So x minus 1 equal to 0. So here we have to remove 1. What? 1 from with the x. So here we just see the sign of 1 is negative. The sign of 1 is negative. So whenever there is a variable with a sign, to use the same number with the opposite sign. So minus 1. Opposite of minus 1 will be plus 1. So here you add 1 to both sides of an equation. LHS side and RHS side. So here write what we are doing here. Add 1 to both sides. To both side. What will you get? X minus 1 plus 1 equal 0 plus 1. Understood? Then here see minus 1 and plus 1. Both are 1 with a different sign. So they can cancel. Then what will be left? X equal to 0 plus 1. So this is the answer of your equation. And step. What is your step? Your step is add 1 to both sides of an equation. Understood all of you? I hope you are getting my point. Now second question B. Here B is y plus 4 equals to 4. Y plus 4 equal to 4. So we want to remove the 4. And which 4 we will remove? The 4 which is side by a variable. So here the 4 which is side by a variable is plus 4. It means you have to remove plus 4 from the equation. So we will use the opposite sign of the same number. So opposite sign of plus will be minus. So here step will be subtract or minus. You can write minus also. Subtract 4 from both side of an equation. Understood? So what you will get? Y plus 4 minus 4 equal to 4 minus 4. All of you understood what I am doing here? So plus 4 minus 4, they get cancelled. Then what is left? Y equal to 4 minus 4. 0. So this is your answer, y equal to 0. Now remember all time here question is saying step. Give the step. So you have to write a step first before solving the question. As I have written here, add 1 to both sides of an equation. Here subtract 4 from both sides of an equation. This is your step. Okay. Now move on to next question. Question number 2. Again here it is saying that give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Here again you have to write the step. So student, one thing I want to tell you, always use the opposite sign of a number which is given in a question. Suppose if in a question given plus sign with a number, use minus sign with the same number. If minus sign is given there with a number, so use plus sign with the same number. If subtraction. If multiplication is there, then use division, and if division is given there, then use multiplication. Understood? I hope you all understood and getting my points also. So here, give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equations. So here you have to write the step. In this whatever we have done in the question number 1, the same thing we will apply here also. First we will write the step. It means which we are going to follow. So step will be, question is given 3l equal to 42. 3l, it is, there is a no sign between number and the variable. It means there is a sign of a multiplication. So 3 into l equal to 42. Here 3 is given in the multiplication. So the opposite of a multiplication is division. So we will divide by a 3. So right here step, divide by 3 to both side of an equation. Then what will you get? 3l divided by 3 equal to 42 divided by 3. Okay, then here 3 cancelled out. Then what will you get? L equal to 14 3s are 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 14 3s are 42. So here then your answer will be 14. When you divide 42 by 3, you will get 14 as a answer. So your answer is L equal to 14. Understood? Now next question. D. Here B is P upon 7 equal to 4. P upon 7. Now here 7 is in a division. Here we are dividing by the 7. So we will use the opposite of a division is multiplication. So your step will be multiply by 7 to both side of an equation. Then what will you get? P upon 7 multiply by 7 equal to 4 into 7. Then your answer will be P equal to 28. 4 7 the 28. Here 7 get cancelled. Understood? So always use the opposite sign of a number. Number will be same, only the sign will be different. If addition, then use subtraction. If subtraction, then use addition. If multiplication, then use division. And if there is a division, then use multiplication. Okay, now move on to next. Question number 3. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Now here you can see that there is a number with a variable also, one number, and another number with a minus sign. Minus 2 is again with a variable. So here we want to remove 2 and 3 both. Okay, because we want the answer of a variable. So here we want to remove 2 and 3 both. So first of all you remove the number which is given with a sign of a addition and subtraction. So here minus 2 is given here. So we will remove first minus 2, not the number with a multiplication division. Okay, so your step will be add 2 to both sides of an equation. What is your step? Add 2 to both sides of an equation. Then what will you get? 3n minus 2 plus 2 equals to 46 plus 2. Then 3n equals to 48. Okay, this is your answer. Now here we want the answer of n. So here the 3 multiplied by n is given. It means the relation between 3 and n is multiplication. So here we will divide by 3. Opposite of multiplication is divide. So here 3 cancelled, n equal to 48 upon 3. So 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48. So your answer is 16. I hope you understood the questions which I have solved. Okay. Then exercise 4.3. Now this is a new exercise of 4.3. Before that, you have to solve all the question of exercise 4.2. After that, you will start exercise 4.3. So here, it is written here, solve the following equation. Here we have to solve the equation. And there is a method to solve the equation. Either you can give a step to solve the equation, or you can directly transpose the number for solving an equation. So here we are using the transposing method. In exercise 4.3, we are using the transposition method. It's up to you which method you want to use in examination or in your fair copy also. Either you can use step method, or you can directly use transposition method. So now I am telling you how to use transposition method. Okay. So first question is given, 5t plus 28 equals to 8. So here the first number is 5t and the second number is in with a plus 28 with a variable. So we want to remove first 28 because we cannot remove 5 first. Okay. First we have to remove 28. You can remove 5 also, but it will be complicated. Okay. So first we remove plus 28 from the equation. Then you will get 5t equals to 10. Now listen here. When we are using transposition method, the sign of a number will be changed. Whatever number you are transposing, its sign will be changed after changing its place. So here you are changing the place of 28. You are removing 28 from LHS side, and you are sending 28 to right hand side. Then its sign will be changed. Here it is in a plus, then here it will become minus 28. Okay. Then 5t plus 10 minus 28. Plus minus minus, it means here to minus here. So 28 minus 10 will be 18. Now see the sign of a bigger number. Which is bigger, is 10 or 20? Take as a whole number. Okay. Consider it as a whole number. So 10 and 28 both are a whole number. Consider it. Then which is the bigger number? 28. So the sign of a 28 is minus here. So put minus before the 18. In subtraction, we are always using the sign of a bigger number. Okay. Then now remove 5 from the t. It is in a multiplication, so it will goes in a division. So minus 18 upon 5. I hope you all understood the questions which I have explained. So the remaining one is your homework. You have to do that by yourself. Okay. And of course you have to solve exercise 4.2 and 4.3. Thank you. Have a nice day.